So you're thinking about getting a headshot. No problem. You're an actor, corporate executive, a doctor, an attorney, teacher, doesn't matter. Whatever type of headshot you need, we can get it done. So what I'm going to do in this short video, I'm going to walk you through our process to show you exactly what your headshot session may consist of. So starting out, once you book us for your corporate headshot, whether we're coming to your office, we can get you in and out as quick as possible. We shoot tethered, so that means that once we capture your images, they will go directly to the computer, and soon after your session is completed, you can go in and review those images. And for some reason, if you don't have time for that, not a problem. We'll upload them to our online storefront, and you can view them at your leisure. Now, when it comes to editing your shots, there are no true limitations. But if there's something that you would like us to improve upon, like the whitening of your teeth, removing any imperfections from the skin, a little bit of airbrushing, but yet maintaining a natural look, not a problem. Regardless of what type of headshot you may need, whether it's for social media, corporate headshot, LinkedIn, business card, maybe you're an actress starting out, maybe you're a makeup artist looking to improve your client base, or a young model just getting started. Here at Houston Professional Photography, regardless of what type of headshot you may need, we can get the job done. So feel free to give us a call if you have any questions, and we'll walk you right through it. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.